To use the H&R Block Emerald Card, start by activating your card online or by phone. You will need your card information and social security number to complete the activation process. Once activated, you can use your card to receive your tax refund, make purchases, pay bills, and get cash at ATMs. The Emerald Card is a prepaid debit card that can be loaded with your tax refund and other funds. To load funds, log into your Emerald Card account online or through the mobile app. You can also set up direct deposit to have your payroll or government benefits deposited directly onto your card. To make a purchase, simply swipe your card or use the card information to make online purchases. You can also use your card to pay bills, such as rent or utilities, by setting up a payment online or by phone. Be sure to keep track of your balance to avoid overspending. To get cash, you can use an ATM or visit a bank. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee for using the Emerald Card. You can also use the Emerald Card to get cash back at participating retailers. To manage your account, log into your Emerald Card account online or through the mobile app. From here, you can check your balance, view transactions, and set up account alerts. You can also use the mobile app to deposit checks remotely and transfer funds to other accounts. To avoid fees, make sure to use in-network ATMs and avoid using your card for international transactions. You can also set up account alerts to notify you when your balance is low or when a transaction is made. Overall, the H&R Block Emerald Card is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Emerald Card to receive your tax refund, make purchases, pay bills, and get cash.